What's up, guys? This is the Cadillac XT5. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm because what's happening is they're busting out these windows and jumping in without opening any of their doors. From factory, if the door is open or the trunk of the hood, it will fire off the alarm. But it doesn't have any type of impact sensor, so you can beat the whole truck, the whole SUV with a baseball bat and nothing happens. And that's exactly what they did. They broke this back window here and jumped in without opening any of the doors. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window after adding the shock sensor. Now you're gonna see that the alarm's gonna fire off. That shuts off the factory alarm. Okay. Doesn't have any effect on the remote start. The remote start still works. Okay. This shock sensor add-on to this factory alarm, it is a crucial update to protect all your windows. And if they try to bust out the nut locks and leave your cars in 4 bricks. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida. Our phone numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have free mobile service. So whoever has these type of vehicles or any vehicle that has a factory alarm and you want to add the shock sensor to it, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video. This is on the Cadillac XT5.